How to enable dark mode on Duolingo. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete and I'm back with new video. And in this video, we will see how we can enable dark mode on Duolingo. So let's get started. First of all, go to duolingo.com and make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you navigate to this menu at your left hand side and from there click on More. After that, again click on Settings. Now once you get under settings at the very bottom under appearance, there is a dark mode. Click on it and from this drop down box, all you have to do is click on on. After you do that, the dark mode will be enabled in Duolingo and that's how you enable dark mode in Duolingo. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.